Welcome back to Emergent Technology. My name is Andrew. This is blowing my mind. This is ChatGPT, and for those unaware, this is an artificial intelligence chat bot that can do a lot of stuff. It can write code, it can write instructions, it can write stories, it can write poems. I gave my business presentation this morning for my business networking group in a holiday jingle that it wrote in iambic pentameter. Like, wow. Okay, so I like to cook. We are cooking for Christmas this year. I don't usually plan an entire holiday dinner because usually some people are bringing parts, but I want to go all out and do the entire holiday dinner myself. And I don't make a habit of cooking regularly, I have to admit. Even though I like to cook, I consider myself a competent enough cook, but the planning is just so much. And I decided, why don't I have ChatGPT give it a shot? So stick with me here, and you're going to see how ChatGPT is helping me do Christmas dinner. So let's take a look at the thing that I said. I said, I need a Christmas dinner plan for 7 people. Here are the things I want to use. Now, this is plain English. You don't have to give it any weird queries. I'm talking naturally. Like appetizers, TBD, don't have it. Vegetables, TBD, don't have it. Bread, I'm already getting French levain loaves. Great. The main is tri-tip. I need a preparation guide and or marination instructions. Dessert. I am already getting ice cream and cheesecake, which I've misspelled. And you know what it did? It gave me a plan. It said, here's a plan for Christmas dinner for 7 people using the ingredients you listed. Appetizers. Baked brie with cranberry and pecan topping. Grilled shrimp with a lemon garlic marinade. Deviled eggs with diced pickles and bacon. Sounds delicious, right? Veggies. Brussels sprouts, garlic mashed potatoes, green beans. Great. Bread, it's telling me how to serve it. Cool. Tri-tip, it's telling me exactly what to do with the tri-tip, preparation and everything. How to cook it. All right, great. Dessert, it's taking the dessert that I've told it that I have, and it's telling me how to prepare it. Serve it for dessert. You can add some holiday touches by topping the ice cream with crushed peppermint or drizzling it with warm caramel sauce. Cool. Don't know if I'll do that, but it's an idea. I hope this gives you some ideas for a festive and delicious Christmas dinner. So I told it, I need the recipes of all the appetizers and veggies you have listed, as well as instructions for the herb-infused olive oil for the bread. Please also make a shopping list for everything, excluding dessert. I guess I could have told it excluding bread too, but check this out. It wrote out the appetizer instructions, the baked brie, the grilled shrimp, the deviled eggs with pickles and bacon, the vegetables. Like, oh my God. And it kind of stopped. I think it has like maybe a character limit. It stopped. So I said, keep going. Sure, here's the rest of the recipe. Okay, great. Herb-infused olive oil, garlic mashed potatoes. It's all the things that I asked it for. And then it gave me the shopping list. All the things. It's not duplicating stuff either, I don't think. It doesn't really give quantities, but like still, this is a great starting point. I'm just thinking about how long it would take myself to look at all the recipes, deduplicate all the ingredients, and put this list together so that I can go to the grocery store and actually buy the stuff. That's crazy time saving. Okay. Now I said, rewrite the shopping list, but also include the tri-tip and its seasonings. Because I didn't tell it to do that originally. And sure enough, it said, here's an updated shopping list that includes the ingredients for the tri-tip and its marinade. I don't know what to tell you. I am floored by this. It's just like so mind-blowing. And at the end, it even says, I hope this helps. Don't forget to pick up some ice cream and cheesecake for dessert. Like, wow. Guys, I'm going to do this. I agree with all the selections it has made for Christmas dinner. The baked brie, the shrimp, the deviled eggs, great. A lot of labor with most of those, fine. But I think we can do it. The veggies, I love roasted Brussels sprouts. I probably would have done that anyway, but like, hey, awesome. Garlic mashed potatoes, can't go wrong with that. Green beans, can't go wrong with that. This is amazing. So this is going to be a 2-part video. I am going to go with exactly what this said, I think, and I'm going to buy the ingredients in the quantities that I think it's telling me to buy from the recipes that it's listed. You know what I could even do? I can even say rewrite the shopping list, but include quantities and amounts. Let's give it a shot. Oh my God, it's doing it. It's actually freaking doing it. I don't know. I can't wrap my head around how, like, it is processing natural language. It is taking into account what it's already done for me. It's rewriting stuff based on what I wanted it to rewrite. I don't know. This is just, it's too much for me. I just can't with this, but I'm going to try. I'm going to freaking do this, and it's going to be awesome. And I'm going to make another video once it's done. And happy holidays and Merry Christmas. And why don't you try ChatGPT and make you a Christmas dinner plan too? Because I think it might go pretty well. Cheers, guys. Bye.